Happy Wednesday to you all. I trust that you are all safe and dry on the inside, guys. After tropical storm Grace passed through. Yes, guys. Well, a lot of places in Jamaica is left damaged. Look at this, guys. The roads mash up, and I may tell you, just a whole heap of rain and bagger tree tear down, and we got a lot of rain and all of that. Right now where I'm at, there's no rain, but you can see the storm pass through, man. Grace go on with ourselves, guys. Yeah, Grace go on with ourselves. So if you say Grace foods we are talk about, we are talk about Grace tropical storm, Grace, and she go on with it. Yeah, guys. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get more of these content. Have a lovely rest of the day. Stay safe.